Change it with these here. It's got the metal. You can see the back has the metal grommets on it. It's metal versus the plastic. So this is a much better retro fix. And now we're just gonna pop these in here. I'm gonna show you how to do it right now. The other day I was washing my dishes and I smelled a burning smell. I opened it up here and it was a piece of plastic. You can actually, little piece of this little plastic over here. It's a little all over this metal. This is the drying coil. This is what dries your dishes. And this gets hot in the dry mode. And what happened was that the wheels on the dishwasher, the rack that slides back and forth here, look what happened. One fell off, fell in this reservoir, started smoking. The whole house stunk terrible. And that is a huge issue. So I'm going to show you how to replace this whole thing here. And most importantly, they have an upgrade kit. And I'll show you the wheels here real quick. Let me just show you the kit I ordered. Got it in a couple days. This is the bag right here. Now the main difference is, I want to show you the main difference right away, is that you can see it. Here are the original ones here, right? So here are the original ones, so you can see how they look. This is exactly how the factory ones come, like that. These are the upgraded wheels. The upgraded wheels have metal. That's a smart. So I'll leave a link down below so that way you get the right ones. You want the ones with the metal. You don't want the plastic. So what happens with the plastic, it melts from all the heat inside the dishwasher, and then the wheel fails, comes off, falls in the little gully, causes the whole house to stink like smoke and fire. It was absolutely horrible, stunk. And you need to change it with these here. It's got the metal. You can see the back has the metal grommets on it. It's metal versus the plastic. So this is a much better retro fix. And now we're just going to pop these in here. I'm going to show you how to do it right now. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe if you enjoy these type of videos on the how-to. This is so important to do, and you can do it yourself. You do not have to hire anybody. Very easy to change. These just click in and click out. That's all you have to do. Here is the replacement metal and the plastic. All right, let me just take one off. Let me show you exactly how to do that. There's little pins right here. You have to push these pins in right here. Let's push this pin and it clears this bar right here. You push this in with your finger. As you're pulling this down, it'll clear this bar. And this is how they snap in and snap out. Let me just show you on the actual model right here. So right here, basically, I'm showing you this pin right here. You just push this in. You can see how this moves in and out. All right. You move that in, that clears the bar, just like you see here. And that's how you slide these in and out. So you just basically push and it slides out, and it'll just snap out. So I'm just going to turn it around so you can actually see them coming out. But that's how you do it. Just push these in, and then you can just see how it's moving. It'll just snap. See how it just snapped right there? I'll show you. Pop right back in, like that. Okay, so these just push in and push out. Really easy. All right, let me just show you how to change them. Okay, so just like I was showing you a few seconds ago, I'm just taking my finger, I'm pushing this in and pulling it down at the same time. See that? Watch. See how it snaps in? See that? Sorry, you didn't see that. I pushed it out and I'll snap it back in. Right? Super easy. So I'll just push my finger in and pop it out. My finger in. This comes right out. See that? Right in the center, right here. Right in the center. That's where the new one goes, and you can just see how it just slides in, but underneath that bracket right there, just like that. You can see that. Here is the new one. Here is the new one right here. We're just going to take it. Goes underneath up here. Okay. So you just basically take it and you just snap it in. One, two, right there. This is installed with the new upgraded wheels. Okay, here are the old ones. Here are the new ones. You can see the difference here. It's got the metal with a washer in here, and this is really much more stable than this. This will really, the wheels will hold up. Just the way they put them together just didn't do a great job. These upgraded ones work perfectly. And let me just change one more. I'm going to do the other two. Here is the one that broke, which is crazy, right? Pop that out. Put your finger behind it. Slide it out. Same thing. You can just see how it slides in and out. Center of the middle bar right there, right? Really easy. Let me take this out. And you just slide it right in. So it's basically slide in and slide out. Pop that in. Like that. And that is in. Those are in. I'm going to do the other two side. The other side, we're going to pop those two in, and then we're going to see how it slides.
Hey guys, thanks so much for watching the video. If you enjoyed this tutorial and if I showed you how to fix your thing, please don't forget that super thanks. Everything I do raise with the channel helps support everything that I do. Appreciate you watching. Let's get back to the video.
It's still a little plastic on here. So make sure you clean all this residue off, because once it starts going to another heat cycle, it's going to burn off some stuff. But just get in there and just get a little, even a little steel wool or something, just to clean off the rest of that residue right there. And that way it won't smoke and stink up the whole dishwasher. It's just crazy. You can just see it here, a little plastic. Look at right here, still in here, all a little residue just sitting there. We're gonna get rid of all that. Clean this all up when you're done, and really, really easy to do. Okay, as you can see here, it is all done, installed, ready to go. Super easy. Let's see how it slides in, slides out. You can just see that. And you can do it yourself. You do not have to hire anybody. Do this yourself, guys. Don't hire anybody to do this. It took no time at all. I'll leave a link down below, everything you need. Hopefully this video helped you save some money. If it did, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I do appreciate it. I want to have it so it does not happen. So if you have these now in your dishwasher, change them now. Don't wait, because it's going to be an awful stink and it's not going to be pretty. All right, guys, appreciate it as always. Thanks for watching. See you at the next review, and have a great day.